Hey, FOMO Dev Hub here. Before we dive in, just a quick disclaimer. This is not financial advice. You should not repeat anything you see in this video. We're showing a rug pull method for educational purposes only. SoulForge is for legit projects. Stick around to see how it works and why you shouldn't do it. Get SoulForge. Use the link in the description to add it to your Telegram. This bot's your ticket to minting tokens fast, legit or not. Hit start and you're in. No coding, no hassle, just pure Solana power. You can take a look at our features. More will be added soon, but for now, let's focus on the task at hand, so press home to get started. If you're using the bot for the first time, you'll need to set up a new wallet. On contrary to other token minting websites, we offer security by having a self-contained wallet. Go to Manage Wallet and select Create Wallet. Boom! A fresh Solana wallet. Hit back. Here you can see your public address and your balance. If you hit Export Wallet, which I will not do here for the obvious security reasons, you'll see your private key. Save that private key and use it in your preferred wallet of choice, like Phantom. That way you can access this same wallet from Phantom. But notice the difference here. We do not connect to your Phantom wallet. We create a fresh new wallet and hand you the private keys. We don't need to connect to your wallet to mint the token. We offer you this self-contained wallet just for the purpose of minting tokens. Now that we're here, I'll copy this public key so that I can transfer some Solana from my main wallet. I'll fund it with as low as 0.25 Sol. Producing a new token just costs 0.2 Sol, but let's add a bit for transaction fees. Done. We have successfully funded our new wallet. Now, we have enough funds to start minting our first token. Let's go back to Home and select Mint a Token. Here you have two options. You can either create a custom token, which we'll cover in another video, or clone an existing one. Let's stick with the cloning method for now. We're asked about the CA address of the token we wish to clone. Let's go over to Pump.fun and pick something we like. This is Pump.fun. You're probably familiar with this website, so I won't keep you long here. You should always do your due diligences in order to find a trending token. The success of this method heavily relies on that. So make sure you spend enough time doing your own research. Try picking something on the meta that's funny or controversial. Anyways, for the sake of this demo, I'll pick something random, so I'll just click what's currently on King of the Hill. Let me find the CA address of this token and copy it to my clipboard. Back to SoulForge, I'll just paste that King of the Hill CA and hit enter. We're presented with the token corresponding to the CA, and we can confirm this is the token we're interested in. So, let's hit confirm and proceed. Although we're cloning an existing token, we can set our own decimals and supply. Let's follow a common usage and set 9 decimal places. For the supply, let's opt for 1 billion tokens. That's a 1 followed by 9 zeros. Now we can see the same token, but this time, we see the decimals and supply were set. As we're happy with the result, we hit confirm and start minting. This is where things can take a bit longer. Minting a Solana token involves a series of several interactions with the blockchain. Just be patient and wait. This can take up to 3 minutes, depending on the congestion of the Solana blockchain. And that's it. We've successfully cloned the token. I've already imported SoulForge's wallet into Phantom, so let me slide it over to show you the token is in my wallet. See? There it is. We've just successfully cloned a trending King of the Hill token in a matter of minutes for as little as 0.2 Solana. This token has the mint, freeze, and update authorities revoked, so if you decide to launch it in Raydium, it won't raise any red flag. If you, let's say, hypothetically do a liquidity drain rug pull, you know what to do. Just go to Raydium.io and select liquidity. Let's connect our wallet first. Here you're safe to connect your wallet, it's Raydium. On the contrary to our competitors, we didn't ask you to connect your Phantom wallet in any sketchy website. You minted the token from a wallet created within SolForge. That wallet is self-contained in the bot, and you just had to deposit the recommend 0.25 Solana necessary for the minting process. If you check your balance, you'll see we deducted 0.2 Solana for the mint, plus some 0.02 or 0.03 that were spent in transaction fees. No hidden fees, no wallet drain, no connections to unknown websites. Just a clear 0.2 minting fee, that's it. Anyways, back to the point. If you wish to proceed with the educational rug pull, I think you know how to proceed in order to create a liquidity pool. We do not encourage this easy method to make a quick profit, but you can find plenty of videos on YouTube showcasing all the steps you need to take from here. That's how rug pulls work, for educational purposes only, of course. Rinse and repeat, and you should be able to accumulate a pretty decent amount of Solana. Hypothetically speaking, of course. Like the breakdown? Subscribe to FOMO Dev Hub for more content like this in the future. In our next video, we'll go over how to mint a custom token, and we'll have a special offer for our subscribers. Stay tuned. Forge your DeFi future with us.